And the race on Sematics from the outside, libre lang. Head spin alongside Tatara. Then here comes Tippy. Tyler 2. Embraceable down on the inside. Balota and Nicole Choice running at the tail of the field. Sematics, libre lang. Head spin. Tippy. Tyler 2. Embraceable down on the inside. Tatara, Balota, and Nicole's Choice still running at the tail. There's a spell. JB Guse on Embraceable. Rounding the far turn. It's now Sematics, libre lang. Tippy, Tyler 2, head spin. Tatara moving up down on the inside. Nicole's Choice and Balota. As they raise the final corner, Sematics by Hapalan and libre lang from the outside. TP, Tyler 2, Tatara, head spin, Nicole Choice and Balota. Two runners fighting around for the lead. Libre lang Sematics. It's libre lang Sematics down on the inside. Tatara is on the further outside. Libre lang Tatara, Sematics. Tatara from the outside and panel Tatara. Libre lang Sematics, number 4, Nicholas Choice, Balota, head spin, and Tippy Tyler 2.